Let's talk fans. Summer is almost here and we need to cool down. So this is the Lasko fan, the standing fan. It's got a 3-speed, but let's get to that in just a second. It doesn't require any tools for the assembly. That you can actually see right here, literally just comes together and twists on. It's got a nice 15-inch kind of base, so it's actually really, really sturdy. It's a pretty tall fan if you ask me. And what I love about this one here is that it does come with the remote, or you can actually access all of the buttons, and I'll show you right here, all of the buttons at the top as well, all of the functions. So 3 speeds, oscillation, 60-degree oscillation. It's a great fan for probably a small room, like a bedroom. It will be great because it also has a night mode, and the night mode will run for 7.5 hours and oscillate up and down depending on what you obviously want. And it also has a sleep function, half an hour all the way to 1, 2, and 4 hours, and that's in a different mode as well. So let's turn it on because I want to check out if it's super noisy and how powerful it is. So let's go on. And I just turned it off. I turned it on and it was so quiet that I turned it off thinking it was. So let's turn it back on. Now it's picking up the speed. We're on the 3rd speed. I want to check out the number 1 speed. I love that there's an actual visual component here that tells me which speed I'm at. So you can see the green light under the 1 or over the 1, and then I can go to 3, 2, and 1, which is a really nice thing. So let's put it on the 3rd. I'm setting it on the 3rd speed, and I'm gonna oscillate it right now. So there's just 1 button oscillation. Slow moving, which is not a bad thing because then it's even more quieter and it takes its time to displace some air. I don't know if you can catch that on the microphone that I'm wearing right now, but I am getting a lot of air. There's a good amount of throw, and it is pretty quiet. It is extremely quiet, actually. That's surprising. Let me turn it off because I want to show you something too. With this little remote, speaking of remote, the batteries are not included. It takes 2 AAA batteries, but they're not included in the package. It's got that little hook right here, which is nice because, so you don't misplace your remote, you can actually just hook it up right here and it stays there ready to be used next time if you don't want to have it anywhere else. It's a really nice, easy to maintain fan as well because I'll show you the grill in the back right here. Super easy to actually see if it's gunked up with dust, with dog hair or cat hair, whatever. Really easy to just vacuum up and down. It's also a very light fan, so if you need to carry it from room to room, you can definitely do that as well. But yeah, I'm impressed. And it's got a cool shape as well, very unique and modern. I like that that kind of like bend right there. Lasko, well done. I love this fan.